welcome to the world of comfort sitting. Yes, this is a ergonomically designed chair manufactured by the group number 11. This project has been guided by Dr. P.S. Rao. Yes, coming to the world of comfort sitting, this is ergonomics, deals with the best of human comfort. When a man or a person wants to work in a workstation, he should feel the utmost comfort to him. Yes, coming to this ergonomically designed chair, you can find the backrest angle has been provided 110 degree to 120 degree. It will give you the best comfort when you will sit idle for a long hour, that is 3 to 4 hours. Coming to this curve area, this is normally 5 to 7 mm it has been maintained because of while it will decrease the load on the knee. While you will be sitting for a long hour, the pressure on the knee will be decreased, so you will get a comfort. And coming to this curve, yes, you will be sitting for a long hour and the neck portion will be feeling so much uncomfortable. Coming to this point, yes, it has been provided with some angle. Yes, this is normally 3 to 5 mm curve has been provided. It will give you the relaxation during a much more time. If you will sit there, it will give you the relax. Coming to the stainless steel chair, it has been provided with the cotton fabrics as a backrest. Yes, it will provide you, suppose you know that in the modern society almost all want that we will sit in comfort. Yes, it will give you the backrest angle in such a position that it will get tension when you will sit on it. And it has been designed, it has been given a support as a lumbar support area. It has been given an angle of 90 to such a position that it will get tension when you will sit on it. And it has been designed, it has been given a support as a lumbar support area. It has been given an angle of 90 to 105 degree, because when you will sit, there you may apply the cushion as a comfortness for you. And both the chairs has been designed using the CATIA V5 design technology, and it is been analyzed through the ANSYS 15.0. And after that we welded it in the central welding works of our university. And yes, our technical director Ms. Sadat Ali sir has helped us so much, and we would not reveal the help of our guide Dr. P.S. Rao throughout the project.